What does grace mean? Grace is a word that has several meanings depending on the situation. In general, grace means elegance, kindness, or a simple blessing. In simple words, grace means beauty in movement or behavior. For example, the dancer moved with great grace. This means the dancer moved in a smooth and elegant way. Grace can also mean kindness or forgiveness. For example, she accepted the apology with grace. This means she responded with kindness and calmness. In religion, grace can mean a blessing or kindness from God. For example, they thanked God for His grace. Grace is also used when talking about good manners or polite behavior. Here are more example sentences. He handled the difficult situation with grace. The athlete showed grace even after losing the match. She walked across the stage with confidence and grace. In simple terms, grace means elegance, kindness, or a blessing. Easy way to remember. Grace means beauty and kindness in actions.